CQ, CQ, CQ. This is AA4WX. Nothing. Just silence. That's the sound of what happens when no one's left to answer. Every night, more repeaters sit quiet. More nets go uncalled. And one day, there'll be a final CQ, the last voice on the band, and no one will come back. You know, we don't want to talk about it, but you can feel it. I'm Josh AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Welcome to HamShackTV. I'm your host. The hobby is fading, not because of technology and not because of regulation, but because we stopped showing up. There used to be some magic in this static. You could spin the dial and hear live. Rag chews, weather nets, late night check-ins from hams you'd never met, but felt like you knew. I remember back in the day, I used to hear 145-470, the WB4 GBI machine located on Cross Mountain in East Tennessee. We used to call it the Hoot Owl net. It wasn't an official net. We didn't have a preamble or anything like that, but a bunch of us just get on and we talk for hours. Sometimes it ended up being 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. We wouldn't even realize it. That's all gone. And like other places, it's ghosts now. We used to build antennas in the rain. We'd tune up at 2 a.m. just to see if the band had opened. We'd teach, mentor, and bring people in. And now we argue online about whose way is the right way. And while we're busy fighting, the airwaves are going quiet. But it doesn't have to end this way. If you still care about the hobby, if you still believe in what amateur radio stands for, then it's time to key up again. Make the call. Invite someone new. Show them what's real. Show them what real communication feels like. And if you want to take it to the next level, test your skills and make global contacts, rediscover the fun. Check out World Radio League. They're keeping the spirit of friendly competition alive, encouraging hams to get on the air and operate. You can use my coupon code at worldradioleague.com, HamShackTV10. You're going to get 10% off. They're already great prices. And you know what? You don't have to pay for it anyway. There is a free option. The 10% is only if you choose to have the premium options, which I love the premium options. I fully recommend them. But make sure you check out worldradioleague.com. I think you're going to like what you see. But one day, the last voice will call CQ. But that day isn't today. Not if we keep showing up. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. Guys, I can't say thank you enough for all the recent subscribers and the quick growth. We're on the quest for 10,000 subscribers. That's going to be happening soon. And when it does, I'm giving away a brand new ICOM IC 7300 HF rig. See more videos for more details. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.